Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes. I'm the founder of Fondo Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we will talk about how to make money online, how to start your dollar arbitrage, how to start your crypto trading, and how to start doing your online businesses. Yeah, so today, I'm about to show you how we can buy USDT at 13 Ghana cedis and sell it at 16 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So we'll be using two method to do this thing. Yeah. And if you watch the video from this step to the end step, you get what I'm about to teach you. Yeah. So when you open Binance and you register Binance, this is how Binance looks like. Yeah, so all you need is just register. Yeah, just go to Apple Store or Play Store, download Binance, and if you want to start, yeah. So right now I have $138 in my wallet. Yeah, that we'll be using. Yeah, so when you want to do a crypto trading, all you'll be thinking is profit. And let me show you one thing. Crypto trading is not always about USDT. We have a lot. Yeah, we have a lot. If you see here, we have BNB, BTC, Ethereum, we have Solana, Eternal, Dogecoin, Pepe, Shiba Inu. This one, it's always confused me because it sounds like a Nigerian name, Shiba Inu. Yeah, Repo. So all these things are what are coin. Recently, people who invested in this thing last year right now are cashing out. Who invested in Shiba are cashing out right now. Yeah, cashing out right now. So people saying that like how can I deposit money in all these coins, because all we know is what BTC and things. So if you want to deposit in, let's say, Dogecoin, you click on Dogecoin and you go to deposit crypto. So you see we have Dogecoin, this thing over here. You see that thing. So you copy your address and go to the place that you have Dogecoin to deposit, or you can also do trade, the P2P trade. So let me tell you one thing, the P2P is not only for USDT. So if I click on this thing, you see that we have BTC, we have FDUSD, BNB, Ethereum, Solana. For me, I've already I've added P2P supported coins is just this on this platform. Yeah, but you can get it from Bybit. That one too, you can get it from that place too. Yeah. So today, I'm an expert in TRX, BTC, and USDT, but currently I do use USDT more. Yeah. But if you want to do future trading, I'll advise you to go with the NFTs, the AI coins, and you see that thing. Yeah, I will teach you everything. I'm your mentor, so follow me. Let me do it. So today, I'm about to show you how we can buy USDT at 13 and sell it at 16. So it means that one USDT, we have 3 Ghana cedis on it. So here, if we have 10 USDT, we have 30 Ghana cedis on it. So that's what we are about to do right now. So you see that we have spots, we have funding, we have in, we have future, I will teach you all these things in my next video. Yeah, so we want to buy USDT at 13 and sell it at 16. So I'll be using this platform and Paxful. So I'll go to trade. This is the trade, and I'll go to P2P and I'll go to buy. So if you want to deal with BTC, you can use this BTC. See BTC. Yeah. But let me switch to USDT. Yeah. So right now, if I want to buy USDT currently on this platform, and depending on the money I have, let's say I have below 200 cedis. So let's say from 100 cedis going. So it means that I'm about to buy USDT at 13.60. So I'll click on the buy. So you see this person limit is from 80 cedis to 5,000. So it means that if I want 100 cedis, this person can get it for me. And this person also received the money through mobile money. Yeah. So let's say if I click on 100 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting 7.35 USDT. I'll be getting 7.35 USDT. Yeah. So you can write it somewhere. Yeah. As I'm going, then you'll be doing your calculations and everything. Yeah. So if I click on buy USDT, it will initiate for me to buy. Yeah. And I've already buy some in my wallet, as I've already showed you. I have 138. Yeah. So after buying it, so it means that right now you're a starter, you're a beginner, and you have only 100 cedis to start. So you want a profit. So 100 cedis, when you use 100 cedis, you get 7.38 or something like that. I don't remember, but 7 point something. Yeah. So let's do it. So all you need is what? You go to your Paxful account, and you go to your home. Before you do your trade on Paxful, first of all, you have to transfer that USDT that you bought on Binance from Binance to Paxful first, before you cannot do your trade. So what you do is what, like, you have to go to you transfer the money in your Binance to Paxful before you can do it. Yeah. So this is how you transfer the money. You see that we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum over here. Yeah. So you go to your wallet. So you see we have Theta. That's the USDT. You see that thing? That's the USDT. So you can buy some over here, or you can get some, or you see that they receive over here. Then you verify your phone number, then you get your code, you get your bank address, or let's say your TRC address. So when I come to my wallet and I come to this time, I'll not go to deposit, I'll go to withdraw, because I'm drawing money from here to that place. So I'll go to withdraw coin. So which coin I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw USDT. They say send via crypto network. So I will choose TRC20. Then I'll paste the address I copied from the Paxful to here, and I'll enter the amount I want to sell. You see that thing? Then I'll receive the money in my Paxful account. So right now it means that I have the 7.30 in my Paxful account. So what I will do is to go to the marketplace, and here it's sometimes like this. So I'll go to sell, because I'm here to sell my USDT. So when you go to sell and this one is on, please switch it off, because when it's on, you will not get a good buyer. You see that you not get a good buyer. So I advise you to set it off and follow this trick. Yeah. And let me also tell you this thing: by switching it off, it means that you will not get trusted offers only. You may have encounter with scammers and things, but we have some 5 things that you see that this person is scammer or not. Yeah. So you go down and search for a good buyer, and this thing, you have to search for a person who's ready to send you the money through your mobile money, or the wallet you're using, depending on the wallet you're using. Yeah, I'm using Eversend, Mobile Pay, Wise, Mobile Money, and things. Yeah, but today I'll use mobile money for you all to see. You can understand. Yeah, so you search till you will see none. Yeah, because at times the good workers will be down. So this person is receiving the money through mobile money. You see that thing? Yeah, and the reason why I'm dodging, or I'm engaging in this trade, is that I bought my own at a rate of 13.50. So seeing someone who is willing to buy it at the rate of 16, it means that I'm in a profit side. It's right then. Yeah, that's why like I chose this system. And the second one is that this person is willing to send the money through my mobile money. Yeah. So I have 7.40, but ever like in Paxful they don't accept the points. So 7. So it means that 7, I'll be getting 12 Ghana cedis as profits. 12.12 Ghana cedis as profit. And let me remind you this thing. I spent just 100 cedis to get this 7 USDT. So imagine getting 12 Ghana cedis as a profit on this thing. That means out I'm what winning. So imagine I have 700 USDT. And 700 USDT, maybe I spent 10,000 Ghana cedis on it. So it means that 1,211 is what is the profit I have on this money. So at times, like though you are a beginner, so you wish that you start with small money, but when you get the profit, don't spend the profits, just invest the profits. So imagine like I started with 100 cedis and I've got like 112 cedis. Then I'll use 112 cedis to buy the USDT again. Then I'll come here and sell it, and the profits I will get, I will not spend it. I will add it to my capital and I'll buy it again, and it's that thing. So it will make your money move fast. That's how it is. Yeah. So if you have 1,000 Ghana cedis, if you have 100 USDT, like you'll be cashing out 16,601 Ghana cedis, and it means that you're making profit. So that's how this thing works. It's very simple. So when you do everything finish, let me show you the reason why I said that like you have to be wise if you want to make it through the crypto trading. You see that this person is from Nigeria, and this person is receiving the money through mobile money. At times it's possible. You see the rate, like the positive rate is for 26 and 0. It's cool, but we also have 3 things that means that this person is a scam. To me, this person is a scam. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but this person is a scam. So we have 5 things that you have to say on the buyer before you jump straight to the trade with that person. And I've shown you 2. The 3 I said I will not show you unless you are my student. Yeah, this person is a scam. This person too, let me say Rosemary. This person too is a scam. This person is okay. Yeah, okay, but to me, I'll not jump straight to trade with this person. And people say why? That's why I say that this person too, I will not do it. this person I will do it. This person I will do it. Yeah. So that's how it is. So like, if you join my mentorship, I will teach you everything. I will teach you everything. Yeah, so I have my channel link and I have my WhatsApp group over there. Yeah, in the description. You can join and chat me privately and I'll guide you. Yeah. So this is how you do it and get profits from Binance to Paxful and make profits. This is how I always do. So thank you for watching me and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.